Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Mirong Base, 32 years old, blessed with one child, and my daughter is 8 years old. I have two brothers, and I'm the youngest of the family. I have experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 2 years. My main duty is taking care of the child and doing household chores like cooking, laundry, cleaning the house, and marketing. The child is 4 years old, and my duty for the child is to take care of her while her mother is at work. I'll cook her food, I give her vitamins, I'll take her a bath, and I'm playing with her. I'm an honest and trustworthy. I'm also good in elderly caring and pet caring. Madam Sir, I want to work in Hong Kong because the salary there is much higher than in the other countries, and it was a big help for my family and for my daughter's future. I'm looking forward, Ma'am Sir, to see you soon and to work with you as my employer. Promise, I will consider you as my real family, and I will do everything I can to serve your family well. Thank you so much.